Hi, I'm Jake. What's your name?
I'm Lily. Nice to meet you, Jake.
Do you enjoy playing sports?
Yes, I love playing basketball.
What's your favorite movie?
I really like action movies.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I went to a Taylor Swift concert last year. It was amazing.
What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and painting.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. He's so adorable.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I really enjoy studying science. It's fascinating.
Are you going on vacation this summer?
Yes, my family and I are planning to go to the beach.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Yes, I visited France last year. It was a wonderful experience.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy listening to pop and rock music.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother. His name is Ethan.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. It's my all-time favorite.
Are you good at any sports?
I'm quite good at swimming. I've been swimming since I was little.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor and help people.
Do you like going to parties?
Yes, I enjoy socializing and meeting new people.
What's the best book you've ever read?
It's hard to choose, but I really loved To Kill a Mockingbird.
Are you excited about your birthday?
Yes, I can't wait to celebrate with my friends and family.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn. The colors are so beautiful.
Have you ever been on a roller coaster?
Yes, I've been on a few. They're thrilling.
What's your favorite TV show?
I'm a big fan of Friends. It always makes me laugh.
Do you like going to the beach?
Definitely. I love the sun, sand, and the sound of the waves.
What's the most interesting place you visited?
I once went to the Grand Canyon. It was breathtaking.
Are you good at any musical instruments?
I play the piano. I've been taking lessons for a few years.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, I find it refreshing to be out in nature.
What's your favorite board game?
I really enjoy playing Monopoly with my family.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a night owl. I feel more productive in the evenings.
Have you ever been to a theme park?
Yes, I've been to Disneyland. It was a magical experience.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cakea.